So first we can take the test out. Okay, and then we can try out the principal questions. Any doubts, Simeon, from the test of 20th chapter?
The last 4 questions.
Okay.
Like the parts, question 5.
Question 5. Question 5. Let me open and see. It's the question 5. Okay. Question 5 is Sutra Vilokanam to find the square, that is 7569. And then we have another one, that is 8281. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is that we are going to make pairs. Okay, we will make pairs for two digits. Okay, what's the second step? Second step is that I am going to check the unit digit of the first pair from the right side. Okay, unit digit of the first pair from the right side, that I am going to check. Okay, what is it? It is 9. Okay, so now we know that when we are having 9, okay, when we are having 9, our answer according to the table will either end with 3 or 7. Okay, 3 or 7. Okay, now next step is we will take 75. Okay, we will take 75 and check in between what two numbers 70 square of what two numbers 75 is coming. Okay, so we have 8 square. Okay, 8 square is how much? 64. 9 square is how much? 81. So in between 64 and 81, 75 is coming. So I will take the top number, that is 8. Okay. Now I have two outcomes, 83 and 87. Okay. Now next what will I do? Who can tell me what will be the next step?
Multiply the bigger numbers together.
Multiply with the bigger number. That is right. So multiply. Yes, we will multiply 8 with the bigger number. Tell me, how much will it be?
72.
72. Okay. Now, compare it with the second pair. Okay. 75, 72. Which one is greater?
75.
75. Okay. 75 is greater. So when the original number is greater, then what number do we take? We take the bigger number. Okay. Answer will be 87. Okay. Next, 8281. Okay, first check out a 1. Okay, now see if our digit is check out the unit place. We have made the pairs. We'll check out the unit place. If unit digit is 1, So then the two outcomes, the answer is going to end with 1 or 9. Then look at the second pair. Second pair is 82. Okay, 82 comes between 9 square and 10 square. Right. 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. 82 is coming between 9 square and 10 square. So we will take what? 9 square. So 9 and 9. Okay. Now, next is multiply. We are going to multiply and compare. So multiply and compare and let me know.
Answer is 91.
Answer is 91. That's right.
Because the original numbers.
Yes. Because the original number is greater. Okay, so what we will do? We will take 99 as the answer. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. Any other doubt?
The sixth question.
The sixth question. Okay. Let's take a look at the sixth question. Shall I clear the screen?
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 91, not 99.
Yes, 91. Just checked.
You can clear the screen.
Okay. So, sixth question. We have to find out the cube root by Villokanam. When we are finding out the cube root, we will make pairs starting from the right side of three digits. Okay, so 875 and 42. Okay, now 875. Okay, 875 ends with 5. Okay, first you can just take the digi root. Okay, you can just take the digi root and check if it is a perfect cube number or not. Okay, add all the digits and check.
8.
8. So yes, it is a perfect cube number. Okay, now next thing is that we check the unit place, 5. Okay, so for 5, what is it? 5 only. Okay, the answer is gonna end with 5 only. Okay, then after this we have 42. Okay, so check that 42,
3, 2.
yes, comes between the cubes of what numbers? Okay, so what is 2 cube?
2 cube is
4.
no,
Sorry,
sorry.
8. Okay, and 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is 64. So this is coming in between 3 cube and 4 cube. 42, between 27 and 64. So what we will take? We will take the top number, that is 27. Okay. So answer becomes 35. Okay, this is very simple to find out the cube root using this sutra. Next one was 1331. Make pairs. Okay. Now 1331, 331. It's ending with 1. Okay. So when it is ending with 1, the last digit of the answer is going to be 1. Okay. Now 1. 1 comes like 1 is a cube of itself, right? So we'll just put 1. 1 cube is 1. Okay. Because 1 cube is 1. Alright. It's the smallest. So we will take 1. Alright. So answer becomes 11. Okay. Understood, Simeon? Okay. Please write this down.
Done, ma'am.
Let's move on to
Yes, I
the,
was
yeah,
writing.
you're writing. Okay, okay. Write it.
Yeah, I'm done. I can't hear you.
Okay. Okay, Simeon. All right. So we will try out a question on finding out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay. So question is find the difference between simple interest and compound interest when. Now the values will be given. Principal is 16,000. Rate is 10%. And time is 1.5 years. Conversion period is half yearly. Okay. We have to find out the simple interest, then the compound interest, and then we have to take the difference. Okay. Why? Because here principal is given. And difference between compound interest and simple interest we have to find. Means that we first calculate simple interest and compound interest and then take the difference. Okay. Now first find out the simple interest. Find out the simple interest. Calculate and tell me what will be the
Like
simple interest.
2,400.
How much?
24,000.
2,400.
2,400, correct. It's gonna be 2,400. Now, find out the CI, find out the compound interest.
Will it be R by 2?
R by 2, yes, because conversion period is half yearly. Final getting?
9,261 by 8,000.
How much?
Is it 9,261 by 8,000? I mean the 16,000 into, is it 16,000 into 9,261 by 8,000?
Let me just do a check. One plus 5 by 100 raised to the power 3. So 1600, 16,000 and
I got for CI
105.
3,242.
How much, Simeon?
3,242.
3,242.
Yeah.
Okay,
For
I'll just solve it. I'm solving it. You can check yours. Okay. How 21 by 20 came? Because LCM after LCM, we will get 105 upon 100. Cancel it, then 21 by 20. I'll write that way. 105 on 100. 21 upon 20. Then expand.
About 2,522 is the compound interest.
It's correct. Yes. 21 by 20.
I made a calculation error. I wrote it as 9,621 instead of 9,261.
The difference between CI and SI is 122.
Correct, Anaya. Simeon, make a correction.
Yeah,
Okay.
I calculated it, but then it was in my mind like
Mhm.
9,621, and then I wrote it wrong.
Mm-hmm. It happens, yeah. So you always need to cross check again after writing. Okay. It happens a lot of time that we know the answer, we've calculated it correct, but in writing we might make mistakes. Used to happen with me too when I was a kid sometimes. So just cross check it once again, okay? You need to just go through your solution once again, that if you've written the correct thing or not, which you've calculated. Okay, amount we have, find out the CI. CI minus P. Okay, so we have 18,522 minus 16,000. How much is the CI?
122 is the difference.
2,522. Okay, now we will calculate the difference. difference, that is compound interest minus,
122.
yes, simple interest. Compound interest, how much we calculated? 2,522. Simple interest, we calculated 2,400. Subtract and we will get 122 as the difference. Understood this part? Okay. All right. Written, shall I clear the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So one more thing we will check that when the principal is given to us, when the principal is not given, but when you have to find out the principal, that time what we do, but the difference right now that we calculated in this question, that difference is given. Okay, that difference when it is given and the principal we need to find out, that time what we do. So check out this question. Difference that is given to me is 150. Okay, and rate that is given is 10%. Let me just 1 second. Yes, time 2 years. Conversion period is yearly. Okay, now there is one difference formula that I have taught you to solve such questions.
You don't.
Yes, Anaya.
I was saying that you don't do the 1 plus r by 100 with that, right? You just take the r by 100 directly.
Can you repeat?
No, you don't. You don't, in the formula you taught for the compound interest, you don't take 1 plus r by 100, you take the r by 100 directly.
Yes, that is correct. We put r by 100 directly. Okay, and we will erase the power to n. Okay, we don't put 1 plus while we calculate the principal using this formula. But what remains the same is rate. Rate if the conversion period is half yearly, then rate by 2. If it's quarterly, then rate by 4. Okay. Also, beside this, if the conversion period is half yearly, then n into 2. If the conversion period is quarterly, then n into 4. These things will happen as it is, like we usually do. Okay, only what will be removed is plus 1. Okay, or 1 plus. This thing we will not do. Okay, in this formula. So, what the values difference is how much? 150. Principal, I don't know. Rate 10 by 100 raised to the power 2. Okay, getting the answer, Anaya? Tried it out yet? No? Okay, we'll just solve it. First, we'll just expand
Wait,
to
so
the
if you wanted to find the difference, you could just do P into R by 100 to the power n. That will be the difference.
yes, that will be the difference. Like this formula we have constructed and we put in the values and solve for P. Okay, because difference also we know, R
150
we know.
equals to p by 100, right?
150 equals to P by 100. Yes, yes. 150 equals to P by 100. Okay, because we will cancel, okay, the zeros. So 10 into 10 we are left with. So 150 equals to P divided by
8,000 is the answer.
100. Yes. Then P is equals to 150 into 100. P is equals to 15,000. Now, Simeon understood how we have calculated P.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See, it's very simple. We if suppose I had in my question that compounded half yearly. So in the formula, I will do r by 4 raised to the power 4n. Okay, in quarterly. If it is half yearly, then r by 2 raised to the power 2n. Okay, so that changes will be done, but 1 plus we don't do, and then just put the values, take them to the side, and then solve for your answer. That is the principle. Okay, any doubt in this question? No? Okay, so with this, we have finished with the doubt class of ninth chapter. Okay, all right. So if there are any other chapters that you guys want to do, that I will take, I can take, but not separately. When we are going to start the NIOS classes for the C level next month, that is new batch. That time when I'll do that chapter, so you guys can join if there's any difficulty. I'll do from the base. Okay.
I didn't understand.
Um.
So, like, if we have any chapters, so when you're starting the next batch, when you are taking those chapters, we'll join.
Yes. Yes, Simran. But you have to let me know prior so that when I start that chapter, I will let you know. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Any other doubts regarding anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. No. Okay. You were expecting the class to take 1 hour, but we just finished in half an hour. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Why didn't Abraham join today's class, ma'am?
Yeah, because there were power cut all throughout the night at his place. So he couldn't like sleep. They couldn't sleep. So his mom texted this morning. I'll share the recorded lecture with him. Okay, and anything else that you guys wanna ask or discuss, or we'll close the class here.
Mondays there's no class right now.
No, Monday will be a holiday. Okay, 31st and 1st, no class. Okay, second, NIOS level C, fresh batch we will start. Okay, new batch will begin, and maths and science both. Okay, for secondary level 2, economics, home science, and English are open. Okay, so, and 12th CBSE economics is also open.
Yeah.
Okay,
For secondary, what all subjects are there?
what all subjects are there? See, math and science are there that are taken by Hardik sir. Okay. Then
I'm
besides
already
that,
joining for that.
you're already joining. Besides that, what we will be starting now are home science, economics, and English, also data entry. Okay, so besides science, maths, these subjects will also be there for secondary level. Okay, and NIOS secondary level. These three I'll be covering. Data entry, Sakshi ma'am will be taking. Okay. Anything else, Simran? And for CBSC, class 12th, economics is open. Okay. So y'all can let your cousins and elders know. Y'all can let your family know, relatives. If anybody wants to join, they can join the batches. Okay. Okay. So then, yes, Simran.
No, only my cousin sister could join that, but she doesn't like economics. She only likes
Can you
math.
repeat that? Can you repeat? I am unable to hear you. Can you repeat? I was unable to hear. Simeon. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Wonderful.
Okay. Only my cousin sister can join, but she likes science only, not economics either. Okay. All right. So your cousin sister is doing secondary level or 12th standard?
She's in 12th CBSE.
12th CBSE. Okay. So that's okay. Right now only economics is introduced, but if we plan to further introduce any other subjects, then I'll update you all. Okay, so it was a great time, a great session with you all, the whole 2024-25. Okay, and all the best wishes for all the future endeavors. Okay, okay, see you all then. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye.